Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make sea moss powder into gel. Start by measuring your sea moss powder and cold filtered water, then whisk until smooth. Let the mixture sit for 15 to 30 minutes to fully hydrate. Transfer to a saucepan and gently warm to about body temperature if you want a faster set. Cool the gel, refrigerate in a sealed jar, and label with the date for safety. Now I will explain the practical steps to turn sea moss powder into a smooth gel. Measure a 1:4 powder to water ratio and whisk or blend until no lumps remain. Rest the mixture for 15 to 30 minutes to allow full hydration, then optionally warm gently to speed thickening. Pour into a sterilized jar, seal tightly, and chill for a couple hours to set into a clear, usable gel. If this video is useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful guides. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and I found it refreshing alongside healthy habit projects like sea moss gel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. I will help you with storage tips so your sea moss gel stays fresh and effective. Keep the gel refrigerated in a glass jar and use within 2 weeks, or freeze in ice cube trays for up to 3 months. Always use clean spoons to avoid contamination and label containers with the date. Avoid prolonged heat exposure to protect active compounds and texture, and enjoy small portions in smoothies or recipes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.